Today, we will be braving the world of dinosaurs. The fierce T-Rex.
You know what that was?
Brontosaurus, right there.
Oh.
My co-worker
Yep.
trying to make sure that the dinosaurs don't get it.
But if they do, there's a bad
Watch
thing
out!
about it.
The T-Rex is right there.
The only reason if the T-Rexes touch you, it won't do anything. Only if they bite you or if they grab a toy that's orange.
Or if
The
they
power of the blood will suck into them. So then if our teammate doesn't do that, our teammate has to tag us and we'll be back alive. Only if they pick up an orange toy.
No! Get back in!
Get back
They
in!
didn't
Pick up them.
She's gonna have the orange toy.
She has an orange toy.
Oh no!
You need it.
Oh, you're lucky she doesn't.
Okay.
Quick, get up before she does get it. Get in!
I don't know how.
Quick! Oh no. She's trying to get in.
Exactly.
We're safe. What do you see? She's right there. Oh no! She's trying to get in. Oh no!
The block-
Get out! Get out! Get out! Evacuate! Evacuate! Oh, no, we're safe. Oh no! Evacuate! 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 You should be safe for a while now.
Yeah. So every day when the orange gets, all this white shield gets sucked into the orange.
Oh no! Evacuate!
Evacuate!
We're stuck!
Evacuate! Help! Evacuate! Evacuate! Evacuate!
You only have so much time after you get home. Help!
Hey, did she have an orange toy?
No, but she jumped on me.
Okay.
Quick, I'll give you time. Oh no! Brontosaurus, please help. Oh no! Help! Help me! I only have so much time. Don't get! Run! Run! Oh! She's right there. She wants me again. Run! Get a toy! Throw it! And attack me! She's getting water! The ferocious! Run! Over here!
Get in!
Oh, the football's out there. The football. She's right there. She's right there. Oh no. Yeah.
We need up.
Quick, get back to eating. Yes. We are okay. The ferocious. The one and only T-Rex.
Yeah. Oh no, Kaden! The power of the blood is in there!
Is it?
Yeah!
Where?
Do you see that?
I don't see orange.
I do.
Yeah.
Wait.
T-Rex! No, she might bite you.
Okay, we have to get something. Yo, now all we have to do is keep throwing stuff.
I think we're safe now. For a while, at least.
Kaden, I found the dime. The dime will get the dinosaurs away. Dime. You got dime. Okay. The dime wasn't supposed to be like a. Okay. Kaden,
Hand it to
dime.
me.
Dime.
She's gone. For now.
What's your favorite toy? Perfect. Okay, she has something wrong.
No, she doesn't. The orange thing is still on the ground.
Well,
Look.
okay.
All we need to do is get the orange thing. All right, Autumn, go on. Oh no, she's right there.
What are your favorite toy parts?
This is a sacrifice.
Okay, you have something right in here.
Sacrifice
What's this?
to the door lock. It worked. I'll go through the door.
Get
Back down.
Oh, I've got it. Okay, quick. I've got 2 things.
First, grab both of the orange things. Now run back. She's safe.
2 of these. What?
What are you hitting?
The couch.
Oh.
No, okay, look, it's locked.
Has to be.
Okay, now we gotta get 2 red things.
She's right there.
2 red. That one. Okay. All you have to do this. Good. One red thing. And I feel like there's one more red thing in here. Got it. Perfect. Okay, if we equal the colors of the rainbow, all of them is gone. No, we need yellow.
I'll get the orange. I'll get the yellow.
And then you can get the green and yellow. I'll get the blue and purple. You get the pink and the brown white thing. Okay?
She's right there.
Okay. Okay. You have to grab a yellow and a green.
I don't try. I got the green.
And we need one more green. This is also a green.
This is green. No, I got 2 green.
Okay. And now hand them to me. Hand them. Wait, before she gets them. Okay. And now you need to find 2 yellows.
Is yellow green okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me back in. All we need is the blue and purple.
No, we need pink and brown.
No, we don't.
No, we need white and brown. No, we don't. White and brown. Right there. Okay.
We'll get the white and brown. We only need one of those. We only need one of those. Guys, look.
But then we need blue and purple now.
You gotta put those at the end. That's at the end. Okay, 2 blues and 2 purples. Go. dinosaurs are about to vanish soon.
Blue, too late. Deacon, are you okay, baby?
Scared. This is scary.
And then
What
we
if the
need
dinosaurs vanish for good?
Mommy, I don't think Deacon feels good.
Why?
Look.
He's sleeping.
Oh no, one of the dinosaurs. Yes, we have 2 blues and a pink.
So this is gonna have to scooch. Only if we put,
And then we need to drop
and then
this.
we have to mix. So we need. Okay, we're gonna have to mix some. Okay. This is our special potion, and then all them can get away. We need all these in the potion. Okay, okay.
And then all I need to do is drop this on top,
Yeah.
and then everything goes.